What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Silver R is back home where it belongs. Yesterday I drove just over 700 miles and bought back my silver Mark IV R32. I'd like to give kind of the full story of the car and how I got it, and I'll circle back on why I had to rebuy it back. It was the fall of 2021, and I wasn't even really seriously looking for a Mark IV R32, and this Silver R came up for sale in Minneapolis, which is just 2.5 hours south of me. And I always said that if I was going to buy a Mark IV, I wanted it to be special. And this was an enthusiast-owned car its whole life. It had every service record from the first oil change on, and for some reason, it just really spoke to me, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I was wanting it badly, and went and looked at it. Obviously it's always better in the pictures, but had a lot of maintenance done, still needed a good amount of maintenance. I was up for the challenge, and so I ended up buying it from a guy named Ben, and ended up becoming pretty good friends with Ben. I'm still in contact with him to this day. Fast forward, got it ready for Wookiees that winter, put new tires on it, and I actually had to fix a couple oil leaks and one coolant leak, and I was ready to go to Wookiees the first year, which was technically Wookiees 2022. So I ended up taking this car out to Wookiees 2022 and 2023. This is by far my favorite car I've owned. It was so fun driving it there and back all the way from Minnesota both years. Ran perfect. Really created a bond with the car. Didn't want to sell it, but chose to sell it to come up with down payment money for my new shop that I purchased about a year ago for the company business. Needed someplace a little bit warmer, a little bit brighter for the salvage stuff. So that was obviously a move in the right direction for my business, so the car had to go. I ended up selling the car to a guy and his son in Wisconsin. They took good care of it. They had it for about 10 months. They also didn't drive it in the salt or the snow, just like I haven't. They got the windows tinted, which those look great. And they had the headlights buffed and sealed with clear coat, so those look much nicer now. And then they did have the seats repaired. They were starting to split in their famous spots. Not real excited about the seat repair. The driver's seat doesn't look that good in my opinion, but I guess it's a Band-Aid for now. At least it won't be splitting any further, hopefully. I had a daily Mark V R32 that I had taken to Wookiees this past April for 2024, and was considering selling it, and when I saw the Silver R came up for sale, just happened to work out well that the kid who I sold it to was looking for something cheaper to daily drive as he was in college, and showed interest in my gray Mark V, and we were able to work a deal where we traded cars, and then I had to put a little cash on top, obviously, since the Mark IVs hold their value a little bit better. I definitely have some plans for the car now that I got it back. I'd like to get the rockers replaced and do a complete paint job on it with all new clear. No rust would be definitely what I'm looking for. I'd like to pull the subframes down and the suspension and have all the bushings replaced, along with sandblast and powder coating the subframes. Just really make the car OEM plus fresh all the way around, and make sure it stays nice for years to come. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Please like and subscribe. See ya.